Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy YouTube Premium with Google Play Balance. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. If you want to buy YouTube Premium with Google Play Balance, just follow these steps. Simply open your YouTube app, go to your profile section, scroll down. Now you can see Get YouTube Premium option. Click on this option. After tapping confirm, you can see you can select your payment method. Select Google Play Balance as a payment method. Following these easy steps, you can easily buy YouTube Premium with Google Play Balance. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.